In the world of online humor and cultural quirks, a new video is making waves. An American man has taken to social media to hilariously call out a common trait that he has noticed among Indian men, what he playfully refers to as lecture mode. Let's dive into this entertaining and funny take on the cultural differences. Hello and welcome to TimesXP, and I'm Kriti Athri. John, an American who has been living in India for a while now, recently shared a video that's taking onto social media by storm. In this video, John hilariously shares his observation about Indian men and their tendency to go into lecture mode during conversation. Now, his video quickly caught on, resonating with many and sparking a flood of reactions and comments. The video began with John setting the stage by talking about how Indian men have a unique ability to turn even the brightest comment into a long lecture. John explains that what might start as a simple statement from him can easily transform into a 30-minute lecture from Indian men. He also notes that these men often share their views on the topic that they might not fully understand. For example, John recounts how he has been lectured about American culture, his own country, from an Indian man who may not have actually first-hand experience with it. When John posted this video on August 19, he included a caption that read, "Do you agree?" Well, many times when I try to talk to Indian men, it turns into a 30-minute lecture. The post quickly went viral with more than 7 lakh views and close to 23,000 likes. The comment section of John's video was abuzz with reactions. One of the commenters hilariously pointed out, "Welcome to the world of women. We experience that on a daily basis. Mansplaining is bad enough, but it's even worse when it's coming from a brown dude." Now, this comment resonates with many, as it highlights how the experience of being lectured is not unique to any one of the group, but it is a common frustration. John's video and the reaction, they provide a funny yet insightful glimpse into how different cultural communication quirks can play out in every interaction. It shows how a simple observation can lead to a broader conversation about common experience and frustration, all shared with sense of humor. Now, the idea that Indian men lecture a lot is a stereotype and may not hold true for many. It's important to remember that cultural norms and communication style can vary widely amongst individuals. In many cultures, including Indian, there is a strong emphasis on sharing knowledge and offering advice, which sometimes is not required. For more such videos, do follow TimesXP.